everyone, welcome to the Good Mix Kitchen. Today we are cooking traditional chicken curry masala. This is one of our favorite recipes. It is really delicious. For this recipe you will need the following ingredients and you can find them in the description below. Let's begin. Add the sunflower oil into the preheated pan. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds and let them crackle. Then add ginger, garlic, mix for a few seconds, but don't let them burn. It smells really good. Then add chopped onions and mix well. Then add salt, it helps soften onions quicker. And cook for at least 7 minutes until soft and caramelized, just like this. Now it's time to add spices: turmeric powder, chili powder, chicken masala powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. Mix it well on medium heat. Now we will add full-fat yogurt and then we'll mix well. Once the yogurt is dissolved into the masala, then we will add chopped tomatoes, mix well for a couple of minutes. Then reduce the heat, cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Tomatoes have to melt and oil separate from the gravy. That's how we know that it's ready. Now it's time to add the chicken. Mix well so that the chicken is evenly coated with spices and make sure no water needed. Now cover and cook on low heat for 30 minutes. You can see how chicken juices was released with no additional water. Now we will add garam masala, freshly chopped coriander and fenugreek leaves. Crush the leaves in your palms to release the fragrance. Mix well and cook covered for another 3 to 5 minutes. And it's ready. Smells fantastic. Finally, it's the time to plate it up. It looks delicious, isn't it? We serve chicken curry with basmati rice, some naan and simple salad. Enjoy! Thanks for watching!